Oh man. Jeremy's roughing the night with me tonight, and then he'll head out tomorrow. We've got -8 air temperature when we left the car, and it's gonna be a cold morning. The cold, the snow, the whites. So I'm kind of excited. Whew. You ready, Jer?
So cold.
Woo! Ethan Pond.
We icy.
We icy. Oh man, yeah, it's cold. This wind is kind of brutal. Well, if somebody else shows up, we will certainly make room for them, but I'm doubtful that's gonna happen. It's like -10 right now. And so we've got the lean-to to ourselves. So Jeremy put up his castle.
Hilton here.
We got the Hilton. I grabbed some snow from the pond there to get some water. And now we're just hanging out. What do you think, Jeremy?
I think that hanging out is hard because you're just cold. It's like 3 o'clock. I'm like, do I just go to sleep?
Yeah, it's like 2:30. Yeah, I got my I got 3 pairs of socks on, toe warmers, and my down booties, 2 pairs of leggings and my down leggings, and then I'm wearing my Bergen Flume, Franconia, and my big down jacket. Oh, we're melting the snow, baby. Yeah. Woo! 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 Oh, Jeremy's struggling over here.
I got so many layers.
Look at this guy. Look at this guy right now. He's got like 6 layers on.
This is what someone who doesn't do this every day looks like. I've been procrastinating putting toe warmers on for a half hour.
Just look at this right here. Oh, it's probably what I look like half the time. Oh my God. Yeah, get them socks on. Nice. Woo!
Yeah, this feels like the biggest victory.
Go, Jeremy. Ploop. So satisfying. Jeremy's my hero. Look at this man. Oh, look at that big fresh block of snow. That's actually massive. Oh, that's awesome. The big update over here is that it's still cold. Believe it or not. What is going on? I am cozy in the sleeping bag, and Jeremy's still getting settled. You good there, bud?
Dude, I'm also getting cozy.
Oh, he's getting cozy. We're getting cozy. Woo! Oh my gosh. Jeremy, as much as I'd love to have a good snuggle with you, let's hope it doesn't come to that tonight, yeah? All right. We made it through the night. We survived the cold. Jeremy, how you feeling?
I'm still a cocoon,
He's still a cocoon.
but I'm good.
Heating up some water bottles for us to get a little extra warmth through this cold part of the morning, but yeah, we're feeling good. And it's cold. It's really cold. Yeah, I'm pumped for the day. It's gonna warm up. It's gonna be great. We got Jeremy out and about.
What's up, dogs?
Oh yeah, got some breakfast. This light out. And it's actually, the air temp is probably similar to yesterday, but it's not windy, so it feels much better. So we're thriving out here. I'm excited for the day. Blizzard tomorrow. Oh, the blizzard's tomorrow, dude.
Yeah, I'm gonna be home in a nice bed watching the YouTube video.
Yeah. It's warming up. Can feel it. Got to the pretty spot on the Ethan Pond Trail. Is this still the Ethan Pond Trail?
Yeah.
Yeah? Woo!
Amazing.
So pretty. Whoa. Big cliff. Almost at the hut. And then Jeremy will turn around, go home, and I'll keep going.
And Scott will be alone again.
I'll be alone again. Oh, yeah. So, Jeremy headed back to the car, and I headed up the mountain from the hut, Zealand hut, where my friend Emily also came out and met me. It was awesome. So it was so fun to see people and chat with some friends and just like hang out for a little bit. But now I am on my way up the mountain, and we found out that it was minus 15 last night. It was a cold one. So I stayed warm, but whoo, cold one. Ready? Yeah? You ready? Okay. The Guyot shelter looks storm-worthy, I'd say. And from what I understand, the one I'm trying to get to tomorrow is pretty similar, so. Are we ready for the joke? Are you ready? Can you guess the joke? I'm at Guyot shelter, and the water source up here, even though I carried water from Zealand because I thought it would be frozen, the water source up here required pretty much no hacking through to get to the water. And my words were, let's Guyot. Woo! Also, can we appreciate that? Look at this. Look at this shelter. Hugs to whoever made this shelter. Oh, incredible. Oh no. Good morning. Today is the storm. I'm giving myself only like 5 or 6 miles to do today because of the storm and the snow. And my backup plan today is that I don't even go anywhere. I have enough food to just like stay here today.
in case I get booted off this part of the mountain that I need to cross because of the wind. So I'm super proud of my bowls of oatmeal. Check that out. Wow. That's 4 oatmeal packs, a bunch of granola, and some almond butter. And oh, it's such a good way to start the day. Ooh.
So I need to break tree line 3 times. None of them are very long at all. One of the spots I've been on in a blizzard similar to this before. We'll see how the winds are up there, if I get shut down or not, but visibility is pretty good given the conditions. I'm gonna try and take you along for this one. That was full on. Oh man. Almost on South Twin. The wind is gusting. So I'm just gonna make it real quick, and I definitely won't be able to film it. Whew. The summit's right behind me. I just came over, and that was pretty much what I expected. I was like 10 or 15 feet where it was really windy, but the rest is in this little corridor of trees, and it's really not so bad. Storm is still going pretty strong, but I think I'm about a mile from the lean-to. Woo! Woo! Oh man, I made it. All right, so I've been just chilling at camp because breaking all that trail was kind of exhausting. Could you tell? Oh boy. It's 4 a.m. And for some reason, I've convinced myself that if I start moving this early, I'll beat the wind chills over Lafayette, which I know is not true. It's gonna be cold up there anyway. But I want to get moving early because I have some snow drifts to break. Got some deep snow this morning. Going up Garfield. It's gonna be a long day. I'm up on Garfield. I'm gonna get off the summit. Woo! All right, so I am not on the AT right now. I broke tree line, went up like a quarter mile above tree line. I was like within a half a mile of Lafayette on Franconia Ridge, but it's like below minus 30 up there with the wind, and the winds were really strong, like really strong. And it's not like yesterday where I'm just up there for 2 seconds. I'm up there for like 3 miles. So I knew about this trail that goes down to Route 93, and I just made the call to come down and get into town and regroup, and I'll get the miles, but not today. Not today. That was super intense. I'm still warm, and I wanted to keep it that way, so I turned around. A bit of a bummer because I'm gonna have to climb all this elevation again, but in my head I was like, well, should I make myself climb the elevation again or do something that felt stupid? So I will figure it out. I knew it was going to be one of my bail options for the ridge because it's a trail that comes up like right as you break tree line. And so when I got to it, I was like, okay, well, let's just see, right? Let's just see how it is. And I walked up a little bit and it was wicked. Oh, I look hilarious right now. Oh, I'm on my way down this trail to the road. You know, it's demoralizing when this happens, right? But this is also just the nature of winter hiking, right? Especially when I'm not going out on weekends and picking the best day to go, right? And the weather just happens to me instead of me being more strategic about it or having the opportunity to be more strategic about it, right? So, you know, today I didn't feel good up there. And that's what was important to me, is I didn't feel good about it. I made it above tree line for a little while and it just didn't, I just turned around. My body was just like, you're getting out of here. So it was really cold. It was really cold. The weather I had been checking said it was steadily below -30 with the wind chill up there. So I know I made the right call. It's just sort of like framing it to keep my mind in it. But at the end of the day, like, I've never taken this trail off the mountain before, and it's a nice trail, and I like snowshoeing. And now that I'm off the mountain, it's kind of a nice day. So I like hiking, and I'm still hiking. So I may not be doing the Appalachian Trail right now, but I'm still hiking. Isn't that the whole point of doing the Appalachian Trail, is to hike? It is kind of super arbitrary, right? Like, arbitrary? Am I saying that right? Oh man, I don't know. Is that like super wrong, the way I'm saying that? Do you guys even know what I'm trying to say? But like, it's just a trail of any number of trails, right? And I still want to do all the miles of it, and I'm going to, you know, go back to where I had to break off and keep going, but arbitrary? Oh man. Oh, I don't know. Am I saying that wrong? I don't know. So anyway, yeah, that's how I'm looking at this. I'm still out just hiking, having a good day, and yeah, it may slow me down a little bit, but oh no, right? Oh darn, to go up on Franconia Ridge again. Shucks. Although I do have to climb all the elevation again, which I may not be so jolly about when I'm actually doing it, but I will do it. I was up there for 20-30 minutes maybe, and knowing that I still had like a couple hours probably to make it
down below tree line on the other side of the ridge. It just like made no sense in my head to keep going. So I am trying to take things in stride here. And yeah, I'm also super beat up from breaking all that trail this morning through the snow drifts and stuff. Yeah, whew, roasted. So, oh man, I'm tired. All right, well that is the stretch. It started with a night around -15. And then I had the blizzard. And then I had this. So it's been quite the run through the Pemi, and I still have some miles left because I need to go back up there, but I'm still walking either way, I think, which is the good part. Alrighty, well, I'm gonna get these. It's started going uphill like the smallest amount. I'm gonna make it into town, and yeah, that's pretty much it.